I am taking class 6 subject maths. Today the first lecture unit number 1 sets. So today is a discuss of about sets. What is a set? All definite collection of object is set. Then which set are defined completely? The set of the letters of English alphabets, the set of all even numbers, odd numbers, whole numbers and others counting numbers we have in mathematics. But it is a proper understand than a completely set. The four examples, the bunch of keys. It is the generally example of set. The sets and are not well-defined sets, non-artists in Lahore. Good magnets of any countries, some numbers come to next time. And other examples are cities of Pakistan. Cities of Pakistan, some peoples like eat foods and are not and ununderstand, that is called a non-definite set. Sets are made three parts: notations, arguments, reinforcement. What is a notation? This is a represent sets by a capital letter. Any capital letter to define set is called a notation. What is the elements? Members of set, just like a natural set. And is the notation of sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is the members. Notation is n. And a members is this there. So members is called elements. Now reinforcement is curly bracket, bars and commas. Now commas, curly bracket is used to set. It used to set. So now it is the comma, curly bracket, it represents of reinforcement. We have a notation, element and reinforcement. This is a complete Macavana set. Everybody, we have a used to mathematics are different sets: natural, odd, whole, integers, even, composite, prime. Firstly, we define a natural number. What is a natural number? It is used to the positive counting number. It is uncountable. It is noted to the capital N. It's called a natural set. And then about what is a odd number? Odd number is a negative number. And it represents of O. It is called a odd number. Whole number is include a zero. This set starting a zero is called a whole number. Now, let's go exercise page number 11 and start to exercise number 1A. Do the following statement represent set? If then yes. Firstly, the first question, odd number less than 9. What is the odd number? Odd number is a represent of O. It is the negative number come in this set. 1, 3, 5, 7. It is a complete set. Why? Because it is a complete set, it is a not repeat the next number. It is the completely notation, completely elements, completely reinforcement. It is a complete. So then it is a set. So do you practice this exercise 1A, and next lecture is inshallah exercise 1B. Thank you. Stay live, stay home.